Hi, this is Jonathan, an IELTS teacher in Singapore, and in the next 2 minutes I'm going to tell you how you can attend a free IELTS writing workshop where I reveal to you my unique ETF writing strategy that has helped over 350 of my IELTS students pass the IELTS writing exam. Yes, over 350 of my students have used this unique writing strategy to pass the IELTS writing exam. In this free workshop, you also learn why up to 80% of IELTS students fail the IELTS writing on their first try, and why many of these 80% repeatedly fail the IELTS writing exam over and over again, up to 15 or even 20 times. And I'm also going to share with you the number one deadly sin of IELTS preparation. This wrong way of preparing is actually the preparation method of choice for probably 80% of IELTS students and one of the major reasons why most students fail the IELTS exam. Also, the number of hours needed to improve by one IELTS band according to the IELTS organization. Hardly anyone mentions this because you have to go to nearly 20 years ago to find this piece of information. And of course, I'll tell you how this number of hours needed to improve can be reduced by working smart. With my truly unique ETF writing strategy I'm going to teach you in this free workshop, you can be like some of my students who finally and only passed their IELTS writing after learning and applying this strategy. Before learning this ETF strategy, some of them tried and failed their IELTS writing up to 15 times. For example, Mawandi failed 15 times before using this strategy, Booma failed it 7 to 8 times, and Joyce failed it 8 times. Also, before learning this strategy, some of them attended many other classes, schools, and workshops and still failed. Mawandi attended 3 other IELTS classes and workshops. Sora attended many other IELTS schools and private tuition classes. And finally, before learning this ETF strategy, many wasted a lot of time and money trying to pass. Don't forget that the cost of each IELTS exam in Singapore is $365. So Mawandi wasted over $5,000 on exam fees alone. That's not including the cost of the other IELTS classes he attended. Booma and Joyce wasted about $3,000 each. And Mawandi took over 2 years of his life trying to pass the exam. You don't need to experience all that. Come and learn this detailed 5-step strategy for free. By the end of this free 2-hour workshop, when you bring home 20 plus pages of detailed notes, review all the strategies taught in the workshop, and therefore understand this unique ETF writing strategy, you're going to feel much more confident about your IELTS writing. No matter how busy you are or how much time you have left to prepare, no matter how scared you felt before about writing a proper essay or whether you failed your writing over and over again, no matter how much or little you know about the actual IELTS exam or how bad your grammar and vocabulary is. In fact, if you follow what I say in this workshop and apply the strategy taught there, like hundreds of my students before you, you're going to stand a very good chance of passing your IELTS writing, if not at least improve your IELTS writing score dramatically. So if you want to learn this strategy for free, then register for this IELTS writing workshop. I'm revealing this ETF writing strategy for the first time to people outside of my paid IELTS class. And to be honest, I'm not sure how long I'm going to run these workshops for. Yes, this is free, but there's a limited number of seats available. So if you're interested to attend this free IELTS writing workshop, click or tap the link that is in or around this video, or go to www.ieltsuniversity.com/workshop to register for this free IELTS writing workshop now.